me more till they let us dream away through the cemetery gates. I chase a rabbit, keep my head behind the tomb. Their lies away. I've been corroded by the motives of this evil. Drag the waters of the seed inside this tomb. I'll find some peace and soon the Trinity will crash. If I find these feelings of anger, they fell in my mind. And why can't I contain it? I'm losing direction. I feel like I'm crazy. These visions of you got me filled up with hatred. Those on the crow, you cannot escape when the demons take hold. You will learn to confide in the beast, and you'll find that the devil controls all your feelings of hope. Losing my freedom, destroy the compassion. Give me to myself to avoid resurrection. When faced with the problem, I gotta keep pressing. Ain't no one gonna stop us. My click is relentless. Over the universe, where we will travel. The trail is something you must escape. Fathom malicious thoughts. Fill your body with pain till you drown in the rivers of blood. Take it, take my word, but all I need your presence. Let me be all your power. Show me that I will take that heat. Walk behind the wall, got me home. Got my brothers by my side. This shit look like I ain't alone. I'm in the trail. navigating. Yes, I'm in my own zone with my brothers in this Trinity. We'll make it all alone. I don't need no handicap. You can hear it when I rap. No more bullying. Once I speak, just through my voice, you hear my bass calling on. Yes, let's keep this on with the serpent song. I'm on your bitch. I am the bitch to make her strip and give me some. I am the one with the fire in my lungs. The prophecies of what's to come. Yes, bigger is your fucking makeup from the shadows. Here it's on. They can get with no regrets. My tape was good, so bitch, don't test to suck your message from my left with my name carved into a chest. Bloody best I am. Yes, go cut this back. You nothing's left. I am fucked up, but just forget. Now give me more until they say I dream of fate. Through the cemetery gates I chase a rabbit. Keep my head behind the tomb. There lies a way. I've been corroded by the motives of this evil. Drag the waters of the sea inside this tomb. I'll find some pieces soon. The Trinity will rise. The moon of my mind. These feelings are back and they fell in my mind. If I cannot contain it, I'm losing direction. I feel like I'm crazy. These visions are making me fill up with hatred. Those